Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Europe holds a special place in my heart. It's a continent overflowing with history, culture, and sheer beauty. Today, we'll explore the breathtaking beauty of Europe, from the sun-kissed beaches of the Mediterranean to the snow-capped peaks of the Alps. Get ready as we count down the top 10 most beautiful countries on this enchanting continent. Our first stop is Italy, a country that needs no introduction. Italy is a feast for the senses, from its vibrant cities to its rolling countryside. Picture yourself sipping cappuccino in a bustling Roman piazza, or strolling through a Tuscan vineyard, savoring world-renowned Italian wine. And of course, Italy is an art lover's paradise, home to masterpieces by Michelangelo and Leonardo da Vinci. Next up, we have France, a country that practically invented romance. From the Eiffel Tower shimmering in the Parisian twilight to the lavender fields of Provence, France seduces the soul. Imagine strolling along the Champs-Élysées or exploring the charming villages of the French countryside, and who could resist French cuisine? From delicate pastries to savory cheeses and non-alcoholic beverages, France is a culinary journey. Moving on, Greece captivates visitors with its fascinating history, crystal clear waters, and sun-drenched islands. Greece, the cradle of Western civilization, blends ancient history with modern-day charm. Imagine standing amidst the ruins of the Acropolis or sailing through the turquoise waters of the Aegean Sea. From the bustling streets of Athens to the tranquil beaches of Mykonos, Greece offers a unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. Switzerland, known for its majestic Alps, pristine lakes, and charming cities, is a paradise for nature lovers. Towering snow-capped mountains, crystal-clear lakes, and charming villages, it's a nature lover's paradise. Imagine hiking through alpine meadows or taking a scenic train ride through the mountains, marveling at breathtaking views. And don't forget to indulge in some Swiss chocolate. Prepare to be mesmerized by Norway's breathtaking fjords, towering mountains, and colorful coastal towns. Norway is a land of dramatic contrasts, where towering mountains plunge into deep fjords, and the midnight sun illuminates the summer sky. Imagine cruising along the fjords, or hiking through Norway's rugged landscapes, the air filled with the scent of pine needles. And for a truly unforgettable experience, witness the northern lights dancing across the winter sky. Spain, with its vibrant culture, stunning beaches, and architectural marvels, is another country that must not be missed. Spain is a country of passion, from fiery flamenco dances to colorful celebrations. Imagine strolling through the cobblestone streets of Seville or relaxing on a beach in the Canary Islands. And no trip to Spain is complete without experiencing the country's renowned cuisine, from tapas to paella. Ireland's lush green landscapes, ancient castles, and friendly locals make it a truly magical destination. Ireland is a land of myth and legend, where rolling green hills meet rugged coastlines, and ancient castles stand as silent witnesses to history. Imagine driving along the wild Atlantic Way, or exploring the ruins of a medieval castle. And don't forget to raise a glass of Guinness in a traditional Irish pub, where the music and the crack, fun, flow freely. Croatia, with its stunning coastline, crystal-clear waters, and historic cities, is a hidden gem in Europe. Croatia is a country where ancient history meets stunning natural beauty. Imagine strolling through the walled city of Dubrovnik or swimming in the crystal-clear waters off the coast of Var. From the Roman ruins of Split to the cascading waterfalls of Plitvice Lakes National Park, Croatia offers diverse experiences. Austria, known for its stunning alpine scenery, charming villages, and rich musical heritage, offers a unique blend of natural and cultural beauty. Austria is a country of majestic mountains, sparkling lakes, and grand imperial cities. Imagine skiing down the slopes of the Austrian Alps or attending a classical music concert in Vienna. From the soaring peaks of the Hohe Tauern National Park to the elegant palaces of Vienna, Austria offers a feast for both the eyes and the ears. Last but not least, Scotland will enchant you with its rugged landscapes, ancient castles, and friendly locals. Scotland, a land of rugged beauty and captivating history, will steal your heart. Imagine hiking through the Scottish Highlands or visiting Edinburgh Castle, perched high above the city. And no trip to Scotland is complete without enjoying a traditional Scottish beverage while listening to the haunting melodies of bagpipes. And there you have it, the top 10 most beautiful countries in Europe. From Italy's romantic canals to Scotland's rugged highlands, Europe truly has something for everyone. Each country offers its own unique charm, culture, and unforgettable experiences. Which country would you love to visit the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our future travel adventures. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy travels!